Hey, it's Ron. Going for an evening walk. Come along with me. Let's go. Just seen a man back there fooling around with his fishing pole. I asked him if he caught any fish. He didn't even look up and answer me. So I took his photograph.
Follow this old river down to where the poppies grow, and drink that cool water till I get my fill. And take me out past the mud and rust and all the broken bones.
How you doing? Dog looks tired.
The sun fall down behind the hill.
Heard that.
I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to sing a song. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to build a home. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me wanna sing a song. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me wanna build a home.
Hey y'all.
Work hard all day, stone by stone, for the night to come. There's no sleep like that of tired bones. And rub my hands and whisper to me about tomorrow, about the kids and the house, and how we don't have much, but it's enough. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to sing a song. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to build a home. I'm in love with a woman, she makes me want to sing a song. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to build a home.
It's one of my favorite places to come. Really love this bridge. Makes some pretty good photographs.
Oh, there's something about you naked in the morning. Quiet all these voices in my head. Yeah, there's something about you naked in the morning. Shut my mouth and put me back to bed. And there's something about you naked in the noontime, doing a little jig around the house. Yeah, there's something about you naked in the noontime. What do you say, babe? We go play a little lost and found. And there's something about you naked in the nighttime, look so good, you know it should be a sin. Oh, there's something about you naked in the nighttime. Burn me up and burn me down again. Yeah, there's something about you naked in the nighttime. I want you to burn me up and burn me down again.
I just entered the CCC Museum at Cumberland Mountain State Park. I have never been here. I am really impressed with what I just showed you, okay? This is a really nice museum. It's located out here next to the Harvest Restaurant on the lake. If you're ever at the Cumberland Mountain State Park, you need to come and visit this. It's pretty cool. They've done a really good job here. Really good.
I was only a cup of water, maybe a vase at best. I might give you color for a month or two, then leave an empty feeling in your chest. Darling, flowers were made for the garden. I'm not quite everything you need, I beg your pardon. Nothing more than just a handful of soil. Oh girl, I'm nothing to impress. We would both run dry, then with tears in our eyes decide it's best to lay this thing to rest. Darling, flowers were made for the garden. I'm not quite everything you need, I beg your pardon.
That bridge dam that I just showed you a photograph of, it produces a water feature on the other side. Let's go take a look.
I may have been a little ray of sunshine, hopefully better than the rest. Oh, but honey, you deserve